Whether you're a seasoned health enthusiast or just beginning your journey towards a healthier lifestyle, we're here to guide you every step of the way. After all, we believe that food is not just fuel, but also medicine for the body and soul. So, let's dive in and explore the wonderful world of healthy eating together. Let's start by breaking down the fundamentals of a healthy diet. At its core, healthy eating is all about balance, variety, and moderation. We encourage you to fill your plate with a vibrant array of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These nutrient-dense foods provide the essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants your body needs to thrive and function at its best. Now, let's talk about the importance of incorporating whole foods into your diet. Unlike processed foods, which are often stripped of their nutrients and loaded with additives, whole foods are in their natural state, packed with essential nutrients and devoid of harmful additives. Think fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains like quinoa and brown rice, and lean proteins such as chicken, fish, tofu, and legumes. Now that we've covered the basics, let's explore how to put it all together into balanced meals that nourish your body and satisfy your taste buds. Aim to include a combination of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats in each meal to keep you feeling satisfied and energized throughout the day. Experiment with different flavor combinations and cooking methods to keep things interesting and enjoyable. Eating isn't just about nourishing your body. It's also an opportunity to practice mindfulness and savor the flavors and textures of your food. We encourage you to slow down, chew your food thoroughly, and pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. This mindful approach to eating can help prevent overeating, improve digestion, and enhance your overall enjoyment of meals. Remember, healthy eating is not about restriction or deprivation, but rather about making informed choices that support your health and well-being. So, whether you're whipping up a nutrient-packed smoothie, enjoying a colorful salad, or savoring a hearty bowl of soup, prioritize foods that nourish your body and fuel your vitality.